Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can make admin on the WhatsApp group. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and then you will see these groups. So open the group and then click on profile and then scroll down the page, and here are the members of your group, and you can see your members in the groups. So and click on the members which you want to make as admin. So click on make group admin. So in this way you can make group admin on the WhatsApp group. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.